Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff, Glass City and Mess Hall Digs? Friday night, defending the hustle, everybody, on Friday nights. Have you ever heard of Big D and Regina Michelle? Yeah, Hump Day Hangout on Wednesdays. Yeah, have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What kind of stuff is that? Have you ever heard of American Pickers? I already said that. What the hell wrong with me? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Nice Tea? Have you ever heard of Blood? I already said that too. Have you ever heard of I keep messing up. So anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to tell y'all, Walmart hidden prices. Yeah, y'all better get it. I want to show y'all 4 games that I got. That's all they had the 4. I got the rest of them. See this? Let's see. 4 games, $3 a piece, $12. I paid $13.20. PS5 games. And this all they had. They're supposed to have some more, but they didn't. Just Dance 2, 2021. Yeah, Walmart hidden secrets, y'all. Walmart hidden prices. These shorts right here, they wasn't hidden, but they was on sale for $1 a piece. Yeah, they selling on Amazon for $27. So I got every last one of them, $27. So anyway, y'all, I just want to make this quick video about what's going down woo at Walmart secret hidden prices. And it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, peace.